Hello, now we're going to look at how to add TTextras to TT Interactive. So the first thing I need to do is to log in, and once that's done you should have a dashboard on the left hand side here and a grey bar at the top of the page which appears as long as you're logged in. You see this grey bar. Now you won't have all of these options because I have full admin privileges, but one thing you should have is the posts function. So you want to add a new TTextra, you can click that button there, and I'm going to give it a title, so that's what the big heading is going to be, and I'm going to add some introductory text here and a second paragraph with more details, and I'm going to show you how to, if I can remember how to spell, I'm going to show you how to add a featured image, and you use this button here. Now if you have an image you want to include, you can click this button to select it from your computer. You can drag and drop it. You'll find there are some images already there, so I'm going to put this extremely attractive picture on. These are important elements. These are the tooltip text that will appear for certain readers who may have their images disabled. We probably don't want it to link to a URL. But what we do want to do is use it as our featured image. So that's the little picture that appears always in the top left, and it's the one that appears on the list of search results in TTextras. So once we're happy with that, we will close that window. The next thing we need to do is to put it in a category. Now you must put it as in a TTextra category. If you don't, it won't appear anywhere. You can also select one or more of the other categories. Now we'd encourage you not to be too liberal with categories, because it's no help to a user if they select a category and they find something that's not really in that category. So try to be as specific as you can. You can also select previously used tags and add those. Let's say this is placebo effects, and you're just about ready to go. You can save a draft if you're not ready. You can set a date when you would like it to be published. You can preview it, and there's one other thing I'm going to show you how to do now, which is how to tell it where to draw the line under a teaser. Now what do I mean by that? I'm going to switch here to HTML view. Now that's an important distinction, because if you wanted to embed a YouTube video, you would click HTML and you would paste the text, would do something like that with a load of other stuff after it. You would copy and paste that text from YouTube in there. And similarly, if you want there to be a line across the page that tells you where to click continue reading, then we use this HTML code. That's all the HTML you need to know to be able to work this site. Everything else, paragraph formatting, for example, we can make headings and things like all of that would be done with these buttons, controls here. If you select some text, you can make a link. You can search for an existing page to link to, and we can add that link. It all does it automatically. And finally, if you want to link your TTextra to some other part of this site, you can do it down here using related items. So select posts or pages. Posts relates to TTextras. Pages relates to the TT main text. And let's say this is about screening. So, whoops, I still can't spell. Let's say we remembered there's something about prostate cancer screening, so let's go and link to that one. Okay, we're happy with that, so we're going to publish it, and that will update the site, keeps you in the editor. So if you want to see it, you can click this link at the top, view post. That will take you to the website, and that's what it looks like. And so that's the full text with the picture, with our pop-up text. Now, if we want to see what that looks like as a list item, you'll see that this is where we put that more tag. So it knows when it's viewing a big list of TTextras, just display that first bit of text here, and then a continue reading link. So that's how that works. Okay, that's it. I'm going to delete this this post now, and I will do that by going to the dashboard, looking at my list of posts, and I'm going to trash it. There, it's gone. So that's a quick overview of how you manage your own collection of TTextras.